ground, as it were. I'm going to be in quite high rates for this. Really strong gust. Okay, so it's coming to the end of the day. The light is just fading, but we've got just enough time to do a little bonus bit here, other than the super windy footage that's coming after this. Of course, it comes with a tow mechanism, essentially a release mechanism. I've got it loaded on my sprung-loaded switch. There it is, just in an auxiliary channel. And I've put a bent nail in the bottom of the lippish. So, because we don't have a glider here right now, we're going to give it a go with the lippish and see how it goes. Which, in theory, they may have towed the original glider version of this when they developed it in the war, like they did with the ME-163. So, let's give it a go and we'll see how this turns out. I think what we'll do initially, once we get it up, if we can keep it going around, I'm not a great tow pilot, I can tell you. And Remco, I think this is the first time you've ever been towed?
No.
Oh, it's not. Good. We're in good hands then. So it's all on you. So Remco here is going to be flying the lippish. There it is. It's got the standard setup in there, no gyros or anything like that. And this is just the stock 4-cell setup in that. I think what we'll do then, once we're initially up, first we'll just try pitching up and I'll pitch down and see if it just naturally falls off. And then we'll do another one if we can, where I guess I could release it and then but that might cause problems, we'll see. I'll put some weight on the line anyway. For the line, it's just very strong fishing wire. I can't remember the brake pound on this, but it's pretty strong. And I've got just some little hoops on either end. So let's give it a go. All right, so we're all hooked up. The light is fading. It's got in this fast. Is the audio all good?
Yep.
Mic's turned on. Great. We've shot a few here today with the mic turned off. All right, so I think the secret is try and keep the line tight. I think you need to stay ever so slightly above me. We'll see how it goes. This is with an EDF mine, so we'll see what happens.
Take a right turn?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Camera's rolling. You ready, Tom?
Yep.
Maybe you want to go wide a bit?
Yep. I'm fully wide.
Here goes nothing.
Excellent.
There you go, Stuart. You're away? You're away. Okay, bomber loose. Quite unintentional, but it works. There's my line, there it is. Alright, let's do another. I'm going to come into land. That went better than expected.
Yeah, it was really good.
Oh, full flaps, it does pitch up a bit. I got my little tow line dragging there. Let's go mid flaps so it doesn't hobby horse as much. Oh. Okay, well I'll stay here then, Remco. Here comes Remco. Oh. Can't walk away from that one. Okay, how was that?
That was good, but like easy turn. Easy. Not so fast. Yeah.
You know we can switch. Switch?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Want to try it?
Alright, so Tom, we are going to switch it up.
Alright.
Just to see what happens. So it's all...
It's this funny side.
It's all in very low rates.
Just gear.
That's what?
Gear.
Gear? Funny. Dutch sense of humour. Is it low rates?
It's in low rates. Yeah.
Alright, ready? Ready? Yep. Release. Yeah? Loose? Yep, loose. Alright, so I think we've established that I'm the better tow pilot. And
First time with display.
Coming to land. Landing. Alright, land and we'll do one more then. keep rolling, I think, Tom.
Yep.
So actually, Remco, this is your first time flying it, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's okay. It's nice.
See,
A lot of power.
see, get a look at the look on his face, Tom. Look how pleased he is. There we go.
Oh, okay. Look at the airplane.
Yeah, here,
Yeah, you don't like to be
here
filmed.
he comes. Here. So right by our feet, please,
Yeah,
sir.
that's left on it or not?
Yeah, but it's too late for that now. Whoa.
Where's your toe?
My flaps are here. I'll put them on. If you come around, we'll quickly. I'll put them on now.
Just the flaps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
And actually, Tom, you might be able to pick up now. Can you see the little LEDs?
Yes.
Now there is a night version of this. This is the stock version, but it still comes with a green and red LED on the wingtips, which is rather nice in conditions like this. What's the light like now?
Gone.
Gone, but it's picking up okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do one more then. Lovely. Now, of course, handy tip if you're going to tow, tie something very bright onto the end of it near the hook of where the plane will attach. It'll help it drop to the floor and also help you find it as well. So yeah, we're gonna switch now. Okay, just hook it on there.
Yeah.
Now, what we'll do, Remco, I think we'll do that same thing again as the first time, and then Tom, I'll come by and do a pass.
Yeah.
Just to show the
LED.
the bungee releasing, because of course there is a release mechanism on the model. It's more of a safety feature, like when Remco and I almost got into a bit of bother there. That release mechanism is very handy for just those occasions. Right, ready? Taking off. Right, try and keep a nice steady turn. That's looking good. You got that, Tom?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Nice. Okay, pitch up. Pitch up. I'll pitch down, you pitch up. And it's gone. He's away. You give us a fast pass, please,
gliding.
Remco. You do a fast pass?
And no motor.
No motor pass, alright.
Glide wonderful.
And one fast pass.
Yeah, and I'll keep doing my thing here. You can just see the tow hook there, nicely in my prop wash.
A little bit closer.
Alright, so Remco's going to do a slightly closer fast pass. I'll shush. Lovely. Sorry, Tom.
No worries.
Alright, so Tom, if you come by, I'm going to release, let's see, I'll go on mid-flap. Remco, I'm just going to release. So I don't know if you can even pick it up in this light, but can you see it just behind there?
Yep.
Right, I'm going to come in kind of slow, and we'll just see this mechanism in motion. Right, you got it there, and release. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Perfect. That worked exactly as it should. Alright, so I'm going to come around to land, and we will finish up this section of the video. But look at that, ladies and gentlemen, look how smooth. I was saying it before in the main flight video, it's silky, silky smooth. Bit of rudder in the turn. Remco's enjoying the little lippish there, and bring it in for a landing. Well, a little bit squally there. Visibility is getting hard. I'm flaring, and you can just make out those lights, I think, there. And there's Remco. Excellent.
You guys want to fly?
Tom, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Remco. That is the Air Titan. Now for some extra bonus windy footage with the Air Titan. That's a lot of fun too. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you now, well, in the next segment coming up right now.
Yes, it's on camera.
Alright, you see the sync. Ready? Okay, now so for the final part of the Air Titan flight review, I'm just showing you guys how it handles wind. It's very windy, as you can see here today. I got the flaps down. I'm struggling to keep it on the floor. My cameraman's laughing his head off. But this model's all about fun, and it is a lot of fun, especially in these types of conditions. It's about 40 or 50 kilometers an hour now today. Extreme wind conditions. wind that you wouldn't normally fly in. With the Air Titan you can have a lot of fun, so let's take it up.
Yep.
Alright, I'm keeping the motor ticking over just to try and plant the model on the ground, as it were. I'm going to be in quite high rates for this. Really strong gust. Let's just wait a minute. Alright, I'm just going to have to, Tom, you might have to hold it.
Yep.
Ready? Okay, on the model. Check my surfaces. Okay, go! Oh. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's windy and it's fun. Alright, let's bring it around. Check the trim. To be fair, you can't really check the trimming conditions like this, but you can see it's a real trooper. Now the pack that I'm using is actually, I haven't brought my charger today, so it's going to be a short flight for this section. I'll just throw it around a bit, see what it can do. This is full rates on the ailerons there, rolling nicely, and that's the loop. Beautiful stuff. Now let's really have some fun and bring it round into wind, put those flaps down. I've got mid and full flap options available to me. You've really got to make sure you push down on the elevator to get it to penetrate. Let's put the flaps on and see what it does. Well, predictably it goes up. So this is full flaps now. I've flicked into mid rates now just to give me enough authority on the elevator. But look at that. Yes, it's a little bit squally. There is no gyro in this. See, I can't even bring it forward. It's too windy. Here we go. All right, wait for it. It's coming. It is coming. There it is. There it is. Really windy now. Lovely job. How's that looking, Tom?
Yeah, it's great.
See,
It looks scared.
I can't go forward. Bit more power. I'm at hard throttle now. The trick with wind, you've just got to keep on the power and just concentrate on keeping the nose up and the wings level, because the wind will drop suddenly like it did then, and you've got to be ready to catch it and be on the throttle to give authority over those surfaces. All right, so now we go away. Bags of power. What's happened here? Ah, that's not my flap switch. Wrong switch. Anyway, the flaps are off now. Let's try and do an inverted pass. Let's see what that's like. Okay. There we go. Punches out of it nicely. Let's take it up and see if we can do some kind of spin. Get some flaps on to get it climbing like a homestick angel. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. I'm going to go to full rates now and basically stall it and kick some surfaces in. There we go. Lovely. And it recovers just like that. Alright, well, you've seen it flying already. I'm going to land it now because I'm running on a half charged pack here. Bringing in lots of power. Throttle management is key in winds like this. Let's see if I can get it down and keep it planted on those two big wheels that it comes with. No flaps this time. Power. Oh, I can't even get it to land. Ah, there we go. Let's quickly check to see if it's okay. Roll it, Tom. Okay, quick check. Looks good. All good there. Got a little bit of a dented rudder to straighten that out. And we'll go again and do a nice landing and then bring this video to an end. Whoa. That was full flaps this time, ladies and gentlemen. That's why it's scared the camera. Alright, now here's the landing we can deploy. Beautiful power this time. I got a little bit lazy with the power. Turbulence off the club. Here we go. There we go, come on baby, come on. Down, right. That's it. I hope you can hear all the audio. I'm going to run over there before the plane blows away. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you for some more flight reviews coming soon.